Hi everyone! So today I'm gonna teach you how to plant mushroom. First, we have to prepare the things to clean, the bran, egg tray, and the mushroom spawn. Next, we have to prepare water for soaking. We have to soak the tray for at least 3 to 5 minutes. So, let's soak, and soak it one more time. Alright, so after soaking the tray, we're not yet done soaking, so yeah, let's soak one more time again. We'll have to prepare the mixture. So we have to mix the mushroom spawn and the bran together. So here I am doing my mixture. Okay, so let's mix and mix and mix and mix some more. So now that I'm done mixing this together, we will now prepare a big plastic for covering. So we will put all of these soaked trays into the plastic. Alright, so since you've put all the mixture in the layer, don't forget to close your plastic cover. This is to make sure that the temperature will rise up during the process. Next, don't forget to put a cover, making sure it stays warm, especially in the rainy days. Keep it warm and dry. On day 8, open the plastic for gas exchange. And on day 10, it should produce steam heads like this. next day, harvest time. You now have a full bloom mushroom. So there you have it. That's how you plant mushroom. So there you have it. That's how you plant mushroom. Now you know how to plant mushroom. So next time, we will be up to another DIY episode on our garden. See you!